morning traders, Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Monday morning, new week, new opportunities. So I hope you had a great weekend, because this week is having a lot of economic events, important one, and definitely I believe we're gonna have very good opportunities. So let's make a quick recap about the economic calendar, and then we're gonna see the technical perspective on the market. As usual, euro US dollar, and that's how we start the week. Monday, CPI in Eurozone, 9 a.m. GMT time, followed by RBA meeting minutes in Australia early in the morning, 1:30 on Tuesday. Core CPI Canadian dollar, 12:30. Crude oil inventories on Wednesday, and FOMC meeting. So after that, we have on Friday core retail sales, and again Federal Reserve Chairman Powell is going to give a speech. So US dollar definitely is going to be volatile this week, with Canadian and Euro. Very interesting currency pairs. Let's take a look what's going on. Euro, US dollar, we start as usual. You know my opinion already about the Euro from the previous videos. Just is absolutely unpredictable. It's going down and breaking out to 1.1116, our support that became resistance line. So any moment we can see recovery, retracement back to the upside, testing the resistance level. That's why I'm not gonna take any short opportunities on the Euro today, and I'm just gonna sit and follow. GBPUS, finally bigger recovery, but not enough for now. The price is staying on 1.2156, and it's trying to head up to test the resistance level, far away from the resistance 1.2381, this level around here. So just did a false breakout of the support 1.2079 and get back directly to above the support level. GBP, I'm waiting the GBP still to retrace more, because right now this is not enough considering the drop since the last 2 months. Australian US, what's going on? It's still trying to test, still staying between the resistance and the support line. It seems like it's ranging right now since the last couple of days. And definitely there is a very big possibility to test the resistance. Even though this I definitely wouldn't consider as a good buying opportunity, there is a big chance to test the resistance, but to buy against such a drop is definitely not a good idea. After it breaks out the resistance zone, then we can think about buying opportunities. New Zealand US, it's holding the lows right now compared to Australian US dollar. It's trying to test again the support 0.64. This is around the round number, our major support level. It's probably delaying the recovery. With the Australian dollar, US is already recovering. The New Zealand is delaying the recovery to the upside. I'm watching to see what the price is gonna do around the resistance 0.6491, around 0.65 round number. Very strong resistance level. So for now I'm not gonna take any action, because simply it can recover any moment as the other major currency pairs. USD Canadian, first let's take a quick look on the crude oil, then we're gonna take a look at USD Canadian. Crude oil, so broke out the resistance 54.82 last week. Very quick recovery, just for a day recovered all of this bullish movement, $2.5 up, and the next day $2.5 down approximately, of course, staying and holding the support levels. And right now it's trying, as you can see, the last 3 days it's trying to push to the upside and to continue this momentum that we got last week. So what's happening here? I'm not gonna be surprised if I see the crude oil 57.46, the next resistance level here. I'm gonna even move, and I'm gonna add up additional resistance level here. We had it anyway 2-3 weeks ago, but it's worth to have it just because it's important resistance. 57.42 is my target for crude oil, waiting to see what's gonna happen. Right now the price section of the crude oil is not pretty certain, so it's not very clear, so I'm not gonna take any trades, but definitely for now we are bullish on the crude oil. So let's see what's gonna happen. USD Canadian, if the crude oil goes up, USD CAD can continue this drop to the downside in order to test the support 1.3239 around this level. Other case scenario, if we see the crude oil following the downtrend that we are having here, we can see USD Canadian going to the upside and breaking out the resistance 1.3339. For now, the USD CAD is staying nowhere as the crude oil, so we don't touch it. USD Swiss testing the round number 0.98. Many times I discussed how important are the round numbers, especially on the USD Swiss franc, as the currency pair is respecting and definitely reacting very nicely around these levels. 0.98, let's see if the price is gonna break out today or tomorrow the resistance level. So if despite the strong downward trend, definitely we can see USD Swiss breaking out the resistance. Be careful of the false breakouts, since just the Swiss franc is very strong right now. As the Japanese yen, we're gonna take a look. The Japanese yen is exactly the same. As you can see, since April this year, just the USD Japanese yen, the Japanese yen is gaining strength, and it's not definitely small movements. Right now the price is staying on 106.33, almost right in between the resistance and the support. We have a resistance zone 106.74. I'm not gonna change any levels on this currency pair, and support 105.51. For now I'm waiting to see if the price is gonna test again the resistance or is gonna drop down to the downside. As you can see, as most of the major currency pairs, the price is ranging for the last couple of days, but I think we're gonna have a big volatility this week. So follow the economic calendar, guys, because definitely we have important events, especially for the US dollar FOMC meeting minutes. Just let me repeat myself. On Wednesday it's 6 p.m. GMT, and on Friday Federal Reserve Chairman Powell is going to give a speech 2 p.m. GMT time Friday. So these two are going to influence the US dollar for sure, respectively speaking, all the major currency pairs. So thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, of course. Comments below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share us and like us on the social media. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Have a very profitable week. It's Monday, time to make some money. Enjoy the week and watch my video next Wednesday.